baby. Happy birthday. Sana matupad mo lahat ng pangarap mo paglaki mo.
Colors are brighter, my steps they are lighter. The skies never look so blue. A new day.
Happy birthday na Gab. Dito lang lagi si Nang Nong. Yan, sana lumaki ka mabuting bata. Makinig ka kay mama at papa.
Hi Gab, happy first birthday and christening. I'm praying and hoping for your good health always. I love you so much Gab and I can't wait to see you grow up. Pero don't grow up too fast. Love you!
Gabriel, mahal ka ni Daddy. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Tapos dito lang kami, nakasupport sa'yo 100%.
Overflowing, it seems to be growing. The light is breaking through.
Happy birthday, Nicole. Welcome to Christian World. And sana mahalin mo yung parents mo gaya ng pagmamahal nila sa'yo. God bless you always.
Wish ko sa'yo sana lumaki ka na God-fearing and God-loving. Makikinig ka kay mommy mo palagi and kapag kailangan mo ng magpapayo sa'yo, kamahiyang lumapit sa aming mga ninang mo. Nandito lang kami for you. We love you so much and your mom.
I could stick around and get along with you. Hello, oh, oh, oh. It doesn't really mean that I'm into you. Hello, oh, oh, oh. You're alright, but I'm your darling to enjoy the party.
Happy birthday, Gab! And welcome to Christian World. Mag-ingat ka lagi and nandito kami lagi para gabayan ka.
Babantayan ka namin. Maging mabuting anak. Tsaka dapat laging may takot sa Diyos.
Hi Gab! Sana paglaki mo, makita mo to. Maging kasing ganda ka ng ate, kasing bait. Sana maging mag-alala ka, masunod ka sa mami mo ha. Bad girl ka eh. Love you! Happy birthday! Ingat!
Sana lumaki ka with good health and a good attitude. Siyempre, at mahalin mo yung mga parents mo. Dito lang yung mga ninong mo para sa'yo. Happy birthday, God bless.
Orange, pink, and blue. You brighten up every room. Your smile is like no other. With you, it always
Hello Gab! Happy birthday! At sana ay lumaki kang may takot sa Diyos katulad ng iyong nanay. Again, and happy birthday!
Hi Gab, happy birthday. Excited kami, especially ni Kali na mas makalaro ka namin, makabanding ka namin. Sana lumaki kang maayos at may takot sa Diyos at may takot sa magulang. Yun lang, mahal ka namin.
Happy birthday, Gabriel, Nicole. Sana lumaki kang mabait at maging masunurin kay yung daddy at mommy. Love ka ni Ninong Bossing.
I want you to learn from your experience. Kaya kung gusto mo experience lahat ng bagay, go. I will support you in any ways kung anong gusto mong mangyari. I love you.
When you smile, it feels like somebody. You've got a heart that's like no other. You bring a little bit of color. When you smile, it feels like summer. You've got a heart that's like no other.
Hindi ka namin papabayaan. Mahal na mahal ka namin.